All right, first time using our new barbecue here. We're gonna do some carne asada here in a second. We're slowly getting things organized in here. We're gonna brew some beer in a couple days. Here we are with our back room. Tracy's all dressed up for dinner. This is becoming our little fun room in here. Got the kegerator there. What do we do today? Oh yeah, we did the walls coming along. Put our drainage in here. But yeah, so this is kind of how it's working out. Oh yeah, the floor is awesome. It's like a nice smooth concrete. They did that. They finished the bar. So yeah, that's where we're at.